So we are at the AMB show here in Stuttgart. Now the AMB opened yesterday and there are around almost 1,250 exhibitors at AMB. The area is around 75,000 square meters, and for the first time actually we have Indian participation at AMB. There are more than 10 Indian companies that are presenting themselves at AMB. And also for the first time in history of AMB, there's going to be a seminar which will be focused on India opportunities. Now, why is AMB important for the Indian manufacturing industry? Certainly India is growing at about 7 to 8% and our manufacturing industry is actually growing at about 9 to 10%. It is imperative that the manufacturing industry grows at least 1 to 2% more than our GDP, because manufacturing is going to help in providing jobs for our young population that we have in India. As India strives to become a $5 trillion economy, we will become the third largest economy as we move towards becoming a $5 trillion economy. And in this $5 trillion, manufacturing would be contributing about $1 trillion. So it's imperative that the contribution of manufacturing, the GDP contribution of manufacturing, increases from the present 17% to about 25%. And such exhibitions like AMB give a good opportunity for the Indian manufacturers also to present their technology and to showcase the potential of India. So I think this will also help the Indian companies to tie up with foreign companies, be it European or international companies, as well as for the European or international companies to look at the possibility of sourcing in India. So I'm sure the AMB will help in promotion of the Indo-German trade and the international trade with India.